Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to hide your following list on Instagram easily, so let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and open Instagram, and then let's check a random account like this one. Just tap on it, and then I can easily tap on the following list and it will show up to me, and I can literally see every single account they follow on Instagram and even their followers. Now this is because they have a public account. Now if you want to limit the people who can see your following list, just change your account privacy, and I'm here to show you how. First, tap on the profile picture in the bottom right, and then tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. From here, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down and stop when you see account privacy and tap on it. From here, make sure this toggle is turned on. That means your account will be private. For me, it is already private, and the only people who can see my following list are my followers. These followers right here. Now to restrict or stop someone from seeing your following list, just tap on your followers, and then let's say I want to stop this first person right here from seeing my following list. I just tap on its profile, tap on the three dots right here, and then tap on remove from followers. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.